to launch everything. Here goes nothing. I'm freaking out, trying to hurry up, like dude. It's 4:24 and I just launched everything. I'm gonna make a short video on my socials so everybody knows. I feel so clumsy. I posted on all my socials, so I need to just relax. I'm just really upset with myself. It's like, come on. I really want to get better at planning. It means more to me because this is something I need to do throughout my whole life. My timing has to be better, but I know I'm not gonna always have it together. Like, I could have finished the pictures, but no. I still have to organize, get my stuff together. The thing is, I'm not always gonna be on top of everything. If anybody's struggling with the same thing, let me know, but we got this. Oh, we got 20 visitors. We got 1 order and we got 12 visitors. She got it. Yeah, these are the earrings. I think like my Instagram, I got like 300 something followers. I wasn't expecting it. I just kept showing up. It's part of my necklace stand, but I'm just gonna use it as a prop. I just gotta add it to my website. The order that I did get, I appreciate it. So shout out to Eve for ordering. I do gotta kind of fix it up with the pink Junkie Charm bracelet. Pinterest inspired inspo. I just want to make a lot of different like accessories that you guys can incorporate in your lifestyle. It came out dainty or something. Alright, I just added the earrings to my. And you know the crazy part is, Eve, I think that's how you say it. She said she's gonna get it and then she got it. And then she said, I love your website. This is the only place I'll buy from. That warms my heart because like, what? It's Saturday, October 4th. I don't know why my words, you can't really hear it all the way. I don't know why I keep doing that. Why would there be worms in here? They get through this little thing. Or lizards come in here. Little snack. Open my window. Sprinkling. So since we did get another order, shout out to Savannah. So this is the order. 7 visitors and we have 1 order. To me, that's pretty good. And now we have 15 orders in total. That's how many sales I made so far. So we sold out of this one. That is crazy. Invader bracelet. I might actually watch the show. I don't know if I like this bracelet. I'm gonna just wear it. Now I just gotta make other bracelet. So let's pack this order up. This is the pearl bracelet, the freebie. I'm also gonna give older earrings as a freebie because I'm trying to get rid of them. Free gift sticker, I'm gonna add it. Thank you card, regular note. Okay, I finished the note. My forehead look crazy. I might put my laundry in. After that, I'm gonna walk my dog. You ready, Sparrows? Alright, I'm about to go live for a little bit. Here goes the I forgot to ring the bell. I forgot to ring it. We got an order. But yeah, we started out of the keychain. But yeah, I'm just grateful. So yeah, the live is ended. I ended the live around 11 something. So there's like a little envelope when I pack orders. I just don't fit in here. Give me a little snack. Just came from church. Milk. But the stamp, yeah, I stamped it and it looks like this. So I can't wait to put it on packaging so you guys get familiar with my brand. Adding necklaces. Sorry for my eye bags. I look a little crazy. I just finished putting all the pegboard hooks on the pegboard. Pretty good. What you guys think? Peace.